Hello guys, this video I will show you about top 5 things to explore in Melbourne. There are also many interesting things to do. Here are the top 5 things to do in Melbourne that you should check them. Melbourne is one of the topmost and growing tourist destinations in Australia. Melbourne offers a host of fun-filled activities and cultural activities for families, couples, and friends. Apart from being the capital of Victoria, Melbourne is also known as the City of Churches, which will leave you awestruck. This city is a melting pot of people from various parts of the world, including Europe, America, Asia, Africa, and many other parts of Australia. It is widely regarded as one of the most beautiful cities in the world and is perfect for sightseeing, shopping, and exploring. It offers a wonderful ambiance, real English high street, and great shopping experiences. There are also many interesting things to do. Here are the top 5 things to do in Melbourne that you should check out. Melbourne Zoo. The Melbourne Zoo is a very well-known institution in Melbourne, and it is known for its varied wildlife. This is the best place to see the animal family, rare breeds of animals, and unique facilities for breeding. This institution is frequented by people from across the world. To explore Melbourne Zoo, take a break from sightseeing and head to this place, which will give you an amazing experience. The Melbourne Zoo is open from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. For adults, the entry fee is $22.40, while for kids, 6 to 12 years, the entry fee is $14.80. Children are allowed free entry from Sundays till the first Sunday of every month. There is also a new goodie bag offer for kids that comes at a price of $18. Melbourne Art Gallery. The Melbourne Art Gallery is one of the most famous art galleries in Australia. This is the place where you can find a wide range of artworks from Australian artists. You can learn about the rich history of Australian art at this gallery. There are thousands of pictures, sculptures, and other artworks at the gallery, and it is the perfect place for art lovers to visit. If you are looking for family or child-friendly galleries, this is a must-visit place in Melbourne. Royal Exhibition Building. The Melbourne Royal Exhibition Building is a heritage building located in the city centre of Melbourne. This is one of the most popular attractions for tourists in Melbourne, and it's a perfect place to see the historic buildings and other historical monuments. The Royal Exhibition Building is a masterpiece of Victorian-era architecture that you must visit in this city. It has 5 distinct buildings that include the Macaulay Library, Hall of Progress, International, Music and Dance House, and Early Childhood Learning Center. The art galleries here are also some of the best and most prominent art galleries in Australia. It has world-class art galleries, and there are various activities and cultural exhibitions held here every year. University of Melbourne. The University of Melbourne is one of the biggest educational institutions in Australia. It is the most visited educational institution in Australia, and it is well known for its high-quality education. The University of Melbourne is the best place to explore the history of Australia, especially the culture and diversity of Australia. It is a university that helps the students to earn degree from multiple disciplines. Melbourne Museum. Melbourne Museum is a free museum in Melbourne, Victoria. It is one of the best places to visit for families and couples who want to have some fun and entertainment. This museum has an extensive collection of natural history, international art, and scientific exhibits. The exhibitions at Melbourne Museum vary from exhibits such as Oceania, Ancient Egypt, Ocean Journey, Lord Mayor of Melbourne Display, Darwin's Domain, Maritime Exhibition, Unique Mesoamerican, Indigenous Australian and World Exhibits, Prehistoric Exhibits, and much more. Conclusion. There are many more things to do in Melbourne, and we would recommend you to visit these 5 places. You should visit these places to get inspired by the best of their cultures and enjoy the beauty of Melbourne. You should plan your trip to this city in advance and make the most out of it. Questo app is an innovative and useful travel guide app. It helps people discover a city in a self-guided walking tour while they solve riddles and have fun. Thanks for watching, take care and wait to see next video.